Good morning, good morning. I don't know why I'm so bouncy today. Looking forward to getting going. So we're back in the kitchen, and today we are going to be cooking feta and mint parcels. Now this was something I learned a long time ago, but I used to do feta and mint samosas. Now obviously we don't want to be eating that muck, so we are going to be doing the feta and mint filling, but wrapped up in some really thinly sliced courgette, and then we just drizzle them with a bit of oil, pop them in the oven and serve them with a mammoth salad. if you know me, you know I'm all about the big salads. So yeah, so we will start by doing a little bit of food prep today, and then we'll show you the finished product. Obviously, if you have a go at this at home, then great, please do let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear how you get on with these recipes. We will be doing more of them every week now, so we look forward to seeing you back here. Anyway, let's get busy, start cooking. enjoyed that one. I'm going to be enjoying that for my lunch very soon. So yes, it's a tasty one and very, very light on the carbs. But if you enjoy doing this recipe with me today, then please do have a look at the other recipes that we've got on the channel as well. And don't forget to click follow, as we will be updating our videos weekly now. So yes, we're going to be busy, busy, busy in this kitchen. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and enjoy your trials of your food. Take care.